Hey planner babes, thank you for joining me today. Welcome to my beautiful mess. This is Mary. So today I'm gonna just kind of do a flip through of the teacher planner companion. We homeschool, so I use the big teacher planner. I'm using the bookish one. You can actually see the flip through of that. I will put the link in the description below. But for now, we're going to take a look at this accessory pack. So, I actually in the past used to see a lot more accessory packs. I saw less of that this year. Instead, they had this like planner companion. I have some other flip throughs of some other planner companions if you want to check those out. But we're just going to take a quick look at what's in here. Now, first of all the planner companions by the Happy Planner come with like a little folder. And I don't throw these away. I kind of actually use them and repurpose them. And so I'm gonna put that there so you can see it. But it literally is like a 2-pocket folder. So you can use that for other things to keep track of. And then all of them come with this like reminder bracelet. And this one actually says, wear this bracelet as a reminder to teach a happy life. And it's got kind of blue, like a baby blue kind of like thread. And then it's got like a little charm here, really cute. And you tighten it with this little slip knot that they have. So anyway, that comes with that. And then you've got your folder. It takes a big heart to help shape little minds. And it is gold foiled. Okay, so you open it up and it's got 2 pockets and it's got different stuff on each pocket. So we'll do the left here. You've got these cute little sticky notes. So you've got like a flag and then like a colorful box here and then this little remember pencil sticker. In the past, these were actually kind of punched on the side, but they didn't punch those this time. So, okay, let's take a look at what else we've got. We've got kind of a bookmark style dashboard. And it says teach from the heart, really cute polka dot kind of stuff. It's the back, really cute, already pre-punched, of course. And then we have some note paper. Got some filler paper. And this is just, so if you don't know, the inside of the big Happy Planners are basically letter size. They're like 8.5 by 11, the pages inside. And that's particularly why I like using the big Happy Planner is as my teacher planner, is just because you can actually then punch regular size paper and put it in your big teacher planner. So you've got filler paper. They have the days of the week and then these colorful boxes. And then this here is just blank. The back side has a dot grid and a little fun day. Really cute. So you get 20 pages of this note paper. I just want to make sure there's nothing I'm missing here on the bottom. Okay, and then on the right side, you get this cute little pencil pouch. Isn't that adorable? It's got pink, like a pink grid, and then these really cute little pencils. It's got a strap. This strap actually fits perfectly around the classic sized planner. I don't know how it'll fit around the big planner. I've never honestly tried it. But I know it'll fit really well against a classic size, and that's nice. Okay, then you have, I should probably open it up for you, just in case you want to see what the inside looks like, right? It's just pink lined, okay. And let's see, we've got some other goodies here. Okay, we've got note paper. Again, this is the half sheet and it is gummed at the top. Got cute little hands and it's just lined paper. It looks like it's blank on the back and it's already pre-punched, of course. And you get 20 sheets of those. So 20 sheets of that note paper. And then you get some sticker sheets, and there's 34 stickers total, and there's 3 sheets. So let me just lay them out for you so you can take a look. Okay, so you've got, these actually fit the big size teacher planner. These actually are basically double boxes. And then these are just regular box size for the weekly layout in a big teacher planner. And then you've got these cute little to-dos. And then like report cards and grading, fall break, picture day, that kind of stuff. Really, really cute. First and last day of school, so that's nice. And yeah, so that's it. That's what you get. So just to recap, you get the 3 sticker sheets, your folder, 20 of these half sheets, a pencil pouch or pen pouch, whatever you want to call it. You get 20 of the filler paper sheets. You get a bookmark style dashboard, and then you get some sticky notes. Okay. All right, thanks so much. I hope that answers your questions about the Teacher Planner Companion. Thanks so much for watching. Before you leave, please give me a thumbs up, and then don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell notification so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks.